Apple just announced iOS 18, and it is the biggest software update to the iPhone that we have ever seen. This is going to completely change the way that we use our iPhones. And it's all because it's powered by Apple Intelligence, which is short for AI. Let's break down all the iOS 18 features. But first, if you're not already following, make sure you're following because I'm going to be showing all these features in greater detail. Apple Intelligence is pretty much baked into all of iOS, so there's going to be AI throughout the entire operating system. AI is going to be able to help you write anything that you want, and it's cool because it uses your own personal context. It's also going to intelligently summarize long text for you and prioritize notifications based on context. There's also a built-in image generator, so you can create your own gen emoji, which means you can literally create any emoji that you want. Siri is also supercharged, and it can also be powered by ChatGPT. In iOS 18, you're also going to be able to customize your home screen, so that means you don't have to have your apps in a grid anymore. You can actually have them spaced out however you want. You can also change the look of apps now, so this is a pretty big deal because now you can change the tint of the colors. You can also set a separate look for dark mode. You'll be able to lock certain apps with Face ID, and Control Center has a brand new look that's so much more customizable as well. You can add as many custom controls to Control Center as you want, which is pretty cool. You can also rearrange the size of each of the icons. Another cool feature is that you'll be able to swap out your lock screen controls, so you can change them to whatever you want. Moving on to Photos, the Photos app is being completely redesigned. And honestly, it looks a lot more organized. It uses AI to intelligently recommend different albums and pictures. The Messages app is also getting a pretty exciting update as well, where you're going to be able to change and add text effects for any of the words in a single message. Kind of like this. And Tapback is getting a new update as well. The regular tapbacks are completely redesigned, and you can add emojis to messages now to make it easier. You'll also be able to schedule iMessages for later on, support for RCS, so you'll be able to text your Android friends, and the Mail app is getting completely redesigned, and I'm actually really excited about this one because it now intelligently organizes all of your emails into categories. This was a feature that I really liked about the Gmail app, so now I'm really excited that it comes to the native Mail app. Each message is also intelligently summarized based on AI. Safari has a new highlights feature, so when you're browsing certain things, you'll be able to intelligently see information, directions, and quick links based on relative things that are going on in your life right now. There's a new Passwords app, which is going to be super handy. The Maps app is also getting updated with custom walking routes and directions. There's going to be game mode now on iPhone, so that means it's going to prioritize gaming. Wallet app is getting a really cool new feature where if you bring your iPhone to another iPhone, you'll be able to instantly pay them with obviously a really cool sick animation. AirPods are getting gesture control, so you're going to be able to nod yes or no. The Notes app is also getting upgraded to include live audio transcriptions, and it's going to be able to crunch numbers right from the screen, so that's pretty wild. Once you put that equal sign in there, it'll automatically calculate for you. You'll be able to have collapsible sections too now in the Notes app, and you'll be able to highlight things in the Notes app, which I really like. The Journal app is also getting upgraded to include mood tracking, which I'm really excited to see. The Apple TV app is also getting a nice little upgrade that's similar to how it is on the Prime Video app, where it shows you the cast and crew and music. There are honestly so many features and changes in this update, and I'm going to be covering all of them, so make sure you're following for all the latest and share with a friend. Comment down below which feature you're most excited about and want to see in action, and I'll make a video for it.